Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize inventory accounting for e-commerce taxes in Shopify, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin account. Navigate to the settings section at the bottom left of the screen. Click on Taxes and Duties in the settings menu. In the Taxes section, you will see options related to tax calculations. Ensure that your store's tax settings are correctly configured for your location. If you sell to multiple regions, select the Manage link next to each region. Review and adjust the tax rates as necessary for each region where you have tax obligations. Next, go to Products in the main menu. Select the product you want to configure for inventory accounting. Scroll down to the Pricing section of the product page. Make sure that the Charge Taxes on this product option is checked. If your product is taxable, this will ensure proper tax calculation. Next, proceed to the Inventory section on the product page. Verify that your inventory levels are correct. Adjust the quantity available as needed to reflect accurate stock levels. Return to the main dashboard and click on Apps. Search for and install an accounting app that integrates with Shopify. Follow the app's setup instructions to link it to your Shopify store. Once linked, configure the app to ensure it recognizes your tax settings. Review your app for any additional settings related to e-commerce taxes. Make certain that your inventory accounting settings align with your tax obligations. After configuration, create a test order to check if taxes are being calculated accurately. Monitor your sales reports to confirm that inventory accounting reflects the correct tax amounts. Make any necessary adjustments in your Shopify tax settings or accounting app. Finally, keep updated on any changes in tax regulations impacting your e-commerce business. Regularly audit your tax settings to maintain compliance with local and regional laws. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.